In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom order on Etsy, ideal for beginners who are interested in personalizing their shopping experience. Etsy is a platform known for its unique, handmade, and vintage items crafted by skilled artisans from around the globe. Navigating its custom order feature can seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, it can open up a world of personalized possibilities for your purchases. So let's dive in and explore how you can tailor an item to suit your exact needs. First, what you're going to do is navigate to the shop you want to order from. Imagine you're strolling through a virtual marketplace where each shop is like a mini boutique featuring the artisan's curated creations. Perhaps you found a piece that almost meets your needs, or maybe you envision something entirely unique using the seller's style and materials. Either way, starting your custom order begins with selecting the shop that aligns with your vision. Once you're in the right shop, you'll need to find and click on the Request Custom Order button. This button is usually prominently displayed on the shop's main page. Clicking this is your gateway to initiating a conversation about your specific needs. It signals to the seller that you're interested in collaborating. The next step is to describe your request in detail. This is where you get to share your creativity. Be clear and thorough in your explanation. Include any specific details about size, color, materials, or timing. You might also want to mention any images for inspiration or examples of what you're hoping to achieve. The more information you provide, the better the seller can understand your needs and offer suggestions. It's like preparing the foundation for a collaborative artistic project. After crafting your detailed request, the final step is to send it to the seller for approval. Think of this as handing off your creative brief to the artist. They'll review your request to ensure they can meet your expectations and will likely respond with any follow-up questions or a quote for your custom piece. Keep an eye on your message inbox for their reply, which might include suggestions to refine your idea into something truly unique. Remember, this process can take some time as you collaborate back and forth with the seller to perfect your order. Be patient and responsive, and you'll likely find yourself with a one-of-a-kind item that's exactly what you were looking for. Engaging in this bespoke ordering process not only supports individual artisans, but also allows you to be a part of the creative process, culminating in a special piece that tells a story. And there you have it. An easy and rewarding way to get exactly what you have in mind, crafted just for you.